Hi traders. Uh, Good afternoon or good evening. Good afternoon if you are in Euro session. I mean Euro area, and good morning if you are in USA. So we are 1 minute entering the US session, and today is 24th of December 2018. Tomorrow will be holiday for Christmas, and there is no trading day. So as for today, this is live trade for crude oil, February contract, futures market. February 2019 contract. So as you can see now, there is a large selling off since last week, and the price always on the bearish side. So as for today, I'm still searching for the first trading setup signal. Could be appear at 69 to 44.69, which is estimated to be somewhere here. Okay, so by the way, this is a 50-minute chart, so let's take a look in the smaller time frame. My trading setup always using the higher time frame. It depends. Sometimes I'm also using the smaller time frame, but it's quite clear at this moment that I'm waiting for the bearish movement at this area. So the nearest low will be somewhere here, and could be a short one or a lot, but have to wait. But if the price try to reverse back to the upper side, then further down, then that will be much more nicer. At this moment, I'm still waiting. Maybe it could be a reversal on the uptrend, could be, but still have to wait for the further signal. So as you can see, price still maintain below VWAP area, so which means there's a strong bearish at this moment. Okay, it looks like try to reverse back, so a better Q at 69. 69 will be my Q for sell stop limit order. This is one of my trading setup appeared to short sell on this area 44.69. So let's take a look on the volume. Let's see, hopefully there's something interesting. Okay, 44.50. You can see there's a large volume around about 130. So this is a round number. I mean 44.50, 45.00, 44.00. There's always a large number here, so this is not what I'm interested. So let's go down a bit more. Oh, and then there's nothing down here. Could be tonight a reversal on the bullish. Could be. So let's take a look on the upper price level. Based on the current level is 44.86. So let's take a look on the higher side. Perhaps there is some clue, maybe, or is it too early for the market, or a lot of other traders who celebrate Christmas already off from the market. So this might have a lack of volatility tonight, could be. Okay, there's a one here, 46.02. This is quite interesting. 46.02 is, where is it? Okay, it's more likely on the bullish kind of movement, could be, but still I will wait here for the further downside movement. So let's we'll continue this video later once there is a clear direction on the market. So at this moment I will queue stop limit order at 44.69. So I might remove this if there is any other signal appear. Okay, we'll resume back later. Hi traders, we resume back again. So I have changed my stop limit order. So I just enter to short sell the market at 44.83. There's a slippage of 1 tick. I queue at 44.84, but at this moment doesn't looks pretty much interesting, but still 0 or 1 tick or minus 1 tick. Okay, let's wait. And I have a tight stop limit order somewhere at 45.02. So this to prevent any losses. Got losses, but to prevent bigger losses. So let's wait and see for the next 10 minutes whether the price can break through to the downward movement, so I'm expecting for it to go further down. Although previously I queued at 69 and this is the nearest low. So let's hope that the market will go slightly down. So let's wait and see. I will pause this video and resume later on. Okay, I'm expecting a red candle, but now it is a green one, so it doesn't look any good. So might hit my stop limit, a stop loss order, which is at 45.01. If it's a good trade, then normally the price will immediately go down. So at this moment I'm minus 9 ticks, so this means this could clearly be not a good one. I have to okay, this one is not a good one. Okay, I think I had lost for this trade. Okay, it just happened. It hit my stop loss order at 45.01, so which is here. This Kian triangle here, so it was a bad move. I'm supposed to wait further down here at 69, much more safer. Okay, wait for the next signal on the larger time frame. So this one is a smaller time frame, so I will wait for the larger time frame. Hopefully something will happen. Okay, we'll continue later. By the way, the losses recorded just now is 18 ticks, so 180 minus US dollar in losses. Okay, I hope to recover it. So let's wait for the next trading setup signal on the larger time frame. Just now on the smaller time frame, this is my entry, but I have to wait for the larger time frame for a good and much more stable entry. Okay guys, few minutes pass. I have entered one more short position based on a lower time frame of 5 minutes. So my entry is 44.93, no slippage. So I'm still bearish on the market at this moment on the short term movement. Okay, let's wait and see. So this is my entry. So on the chart should be somewhere here. If you can see, there's a small triangle here, purple color. So hope for the price to go further down, and this will indicate like diagonal support. So let's wait and see the price to move further down. So I pause this video, resume later on. Okay, now the market start moving to the direction on the bearish. Very small kind of move, but still I put my stop limit order somewhere here. So beyond this, I don't trust on the bearish. This could be a more bullish. And at this moment, I'm on 1 ticks below my entry point, so not much. So let's wait and see. This is gonna take maybe 30 minutes to 30 minutes to know the result. If the price try to reverse back to the upper side, so that means not yet for bearish movement. So could be this one is a very strong support after 2 weeks of bearish movement. So let's wait. Okay. 2 ticks, so it's kind of slow. Normally when my trading setup provide me a signal, there will be a large move or there's a quick move on the volume, but this one seems like also not a good one, but still have a potential for a profit trade. So I will wait and wait patiently. Hi traders, resume back again. So things looks good at this moment. So you can see there is two candle in red color. This is the first one, second one. The first, sorry, this is the second and third one. The first one is the green, a pullback. So this one, market going down to the south as expected. So we have 13 ticks in profit. So 14 ticks in profit as well. Keep increasing, so looks good. So Looks like it's gonna break this nearest low, so let's wait and see. If break it, then I will exit somewhere here, not far from the breakout area. So let's wait and see. Okay, now we are 20 ticks, 21 ticks, and this looks very good. 22 ticks. Okay, I guess I have to stop here. Should I? Maybe stop here. 23 ticks. Okay, 23 ticks. Hopefully I can exit here. Okay, 69. So my entry just now is 92. So you can see here. My entry is 92. So exit at 69. So it's around 20, 21 tick, 23 ticks. So I will not wait for the breakout. Okay, now the price reverse back. But after all, I have exit 23 ticks just now. Maybe I will wait for another trading setup signal on the larger time frame. Should have one on the larger time frame. So far, for tonight, still there is no signal yet. Have to wait patiently. I only enter for lower time frame, 5-minute charts. Price spike. So you can see it did spike to the almost near to the 44.50, $44.50, which is I mentioned earlier in this video that there is a high Q waiting at 44.50. So the price go to the nearest to the higher demand for tonight, so which is here. Okay, but I already exit at here, this Kian triangle. So what can I do? I just only watch and watch the ticks moving down, but still okay, because I didn't see any strong bearish movement. So this means the price might reverse back. So a larger time frame, there will be a good trading setup signal, so I can re-enter again on the market. Okay guys, this looks very interesting. So you can see high volume waiting at 44.52, previously only 44.50 waiting here, but now there's a two price level waiting, which is both 100 plus here, you can see. So this looks very interesting. So this means the price might probably spike to this area and then return back to the upper side. I'm not sure, but this will be an interesting situation. So we'll see in the next few minutes. Okay guys, so resume back again. So it seems very interesting at this moment because I just found another price level with quite an interesting situation, which is at 44.20, 183 183 Q at this price level, which is about this area. So just right before the support level. So there's a room of opportunity about 30 ticks. So if I got triggered, then I will exit at 20 ticks. So let's see. I just entered the market. Things doesn't look any good. It spiked down, but it was a very fast one. It was very fast one. Around 13 ticks price movement within a few seconds. So I didn't manage to close any of my trade. So have to wait one more time if the price break down. So I will exit at 44.20. So there's still a large volume waiting at 44.20 if I'm not mistaken. Let's take a look. Yes, it's quite high, 203 queuing, and also one more queue at 44.16. So that means there's more tendency for the market to go on the bearish movement. only the matter of time when it will go to the south. So I will estimate around 30 minutes. So if the price didn't go to the south as expected, then I will exit the market immediately, even though I'm at a loss. So let's wait. Alright guys, the market did reverse back. Okay, as you can see, this is my first entry profit. Now I re-enter the on the market here, but then the price reverse back to the upper side. So at this moment I enter here, and looks like it tried to pull back to the previous support area or pivot area, and now uh, things looks like a pullback, but the pullback is quite a strong one, and now I'm waiting for it to break through to the downside. So my target point is 44.26. So if the market go to the south on the bearish movement, so I will have a profit around 28 ticks, the target, and hopefully it will go there. But will be someone doesn't look any good because I'm holding 17 ticks at loss, so might trigger my stop limit, sorry, stop loss order already near. Ah shit. So now 20 ticks. It was a bad day with one unnecessary trading, because normally I will trade with one lot and one time only profit, then I get out. So today because tomorrow is holiday for Christmas, so maybe I'm more more energy to enter the market. But it was wrong actually. It was not a good discipline, because I have set my discipline: one trading signal and enter the market, profit, get out. If not, then also get out. Now I'm trying to chase a dragon. Okay guys, we pause this video. Looks like no luck on this one. It's very near to my stop loss order. 5 ticks, 4 ticks. It's quite near. It's too stressful at this moment. You can see the price keep going up and down, move around that area. So this might spike to the upper side. Still, the price didn't break through my stop loss order, which is at 44.77, which is here. This is my stop loss order. It looks like a red candle, but it's not a strong one. If I manage to pull out this with profit, then it was a lucky trade actually, because I didn't manage to close the profit at 13 ticks down here. Two time it reached 13 ticks, so now it's going a bit slightly down to 68. I'm reducing from 20 ticks to 14 ticks in minus. Okay, there's 33 seconds before the next candle appears, so hopefully this one will be a strong red. If this candle is a strong red, then I have more chance for it to profit on this trade. If not, then it's more likely for it to go for a reverse bullish movement, because on the larger time frame, one of my trading setup already indicate that the price will go for a reverse. So let's wait and see. Okay guys, it looks like I managed to escape from my stop loss. Now the price moving slightly lower, which is what we want. This moment is from worst 21 ticks, now minus 9 ticks. Okay, things moving fast for bearish movement, so I'm waiting for my profit at 44.26, which is here 44.26. So I'm waiting at down there, so you can see 44.20 is the highest Q, so slightly higher should be enough. Don't be greedy. If the price going for a bearish movement, then I will exit there. Okay, then if not, then I will have to stop loss. Okay, looks good. Now the price already reduced a lot. Oh, okay, we are in a good direction, so let's wait and see. Okay, this is one nice big red candle, as you can see here. So it's not easy to capture it while recording live. Okay, okay. Immediate breakout will be somewhere here. So once the price move here, then this will be nearest low. Could go to this direction. There's a one signal at the lower time frame here, but I cannot enter it because I already enter at here. So no need to enter two time or two lots. One lot should be enough. There's a strong pullback, so let's wait and see. Still this remain a quite important level. I have to go out for a cigarette breaks because it's too stressful at this moment. If the price reverses back to this area, then for sure I should exit the market. So let's wait and see. So this is my target area, 44.26. So let's wait and see within the next 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Okay guys, that's it. Hit the stop loss. So today the total is around 220 ticks losses. 20 ticks. I should take consideration of the holiday in USA or the other country because of the Christmas Eve. Okay, never mind. There will be another day. Okay guys, thank you for watching and have a nice holiday.